Hey guys, today is March 29th, so we're at the day before the move, and as you can see, we've got the moving truck here, and something else that you probably don't get to see often is a car in the garage. Everything in here is pretty much empty. The house is pretty much empty, and yeah, it's amazing how much more room in here there is now that there's no tractors and air compressors and all that in here. Excuse me. A lot of dust floating around here lately with the wind and the salt on the roads and everything else, but I just wanted to touch base with you guys. Obviously, tomorrow we close on the new house, we close on the townhouse, so I wanted to kind of take you guys along on that journey, and we'll probably do some video from the road in the big rig, and when we get to the new house, we'll do some video there too and give you guys a little bit of a sneak peek as to what we're going to be moving into. So not much for updates on tractors. Haven't had time. Been real busy doing this moving bit, and I'm telling you what, man, I'm tired of it. I don't want to move for another 30 years, and I'm really not going to move. Really not going to want to move then, probably. But we're almost there, so just gotta get through the walkthroughs tonight, and then tomorrow we're done. So then the real work starts, putting everything back where it belongs. But I'm excited. I'm excited to get out of here and into a new place, and a little more room, and hopefully a pole barn won't be long behind that. But we won't know until we figure out what kind of funds we got left over from everything. So other than that, I got nothing else for you. I just wanted to do a little show around of the empty garage. So we'll talk to you guys in the morning, and look forward to a truck ride with you. See you soon. Alright guys, well, let the air brakes out, put on my seat belt, and we're off. Gotta give it one last toot. inside a bigger garage, which means we are currently moved in. But I'm sorry I didn't really get any video of the first drive up with the moving truck, but to be quite honest, I was more concerned with getting the moving truck unloaded and getting the enclosed utility trailer unloaded that we had, and getting that stuff in the house and unboxed and really getting settled. And I'm sure you guys can understand that because it's been kind of hectic. So the move was last Friday and today is Tuesday, and we've done a pretty good job getting everything settled in. Most everything in the house is put away. We still got a lot of boxes that are laying about, but they're empty and crushed, so we just gotta wait for our trash cans to get dropped off, and then we can start throwing them away, recycling them, etc. But this is just a quick tour of the inside of the garage. It's a 2-car garage, so it is, I mean, it's bigger than the last garage we had, but for now, it's gonna have to do until we can get an outbuilding built. But the good news is my fiance can park in the garage now. So the next few days here, I got a couple days off work, so I'm gonna take and build my workbench. I'm gonna put up a lot of shelves in here. That way, a lot of this stuff is off the floor. Let's see, we got a big pile of garbage here. As you can see, there's some snow here, and since we moved in last Friday, and well, today's Tuesday, so from Friday to Tuesday, I'm going to show you what we've been dealing with here. But I'll open the garage and you'll be able to see that. Yeah. We've gotten about 16 inches of snow in the last, well, week, I guess, less than a week. But I've been shoveling this driveway. It's taken me, the first time took me about 2 hours because we had really high winds and we had about a 3-foot snow drift coming off of this bank here, because north is that way, and of course we get a strong north wind right out of the road there. But let's, I got my head strap here, so we'll see how that works. Let me grab my gloves. But I just wanted to kind of take you guys on a quick walk, and hopefully the camera doesn't shake too much. But we'll put this thing on pause and we'll go on a quick walk. Alright, well, hopefully the camera doesn't get too full of stuff here, snow and water. I put my waterproof case on just to be safe, but take a walk out to the road and you guys can then see the house from the road. So here we are, and then our property goes this full length of these trees. And I don't know how well you guys can hear me with this waterproof case on, so I'm trying to speak up. But it goes from this full front here. I'll try to stop right about where the property line is. There's a drainage creek that is over here, and our property line is right in the middle of it. So from there, see if I can't fall and hurt myself here in the deep snow. From there it goes back about 980 feet straight back. But I did get a couple of the tractors here the other day. Didn't take any video of it because, well, it was cold and slushy, and
snow was melting and snow was coming down and all the above. So I got the Model A here, covered in snow. I got the H here, covered in snow. And then I took the H for a little drive back here. And this was about as far as I could make it. Because, well, at the time it was about 2 feet of snow. Now it's about, well, it's about thigh high. So I made it to about right here. But our property keeps going and going and going, and this is kind of a view of the backyard area. There's a fire pit over there. With the sale of the home, we did get her to include the John Deere L120 lawn tractor and all the attachments. So it's got a bagger, it's got a lawn sweeper, and a few other things. There's a whole bunch of lawn tools she included with the purchase of the home. But this area right here, that's pole barn area. So that's where the pole barn's going eventually. But let's see if I can't take a little walk. I haven't really been back here yet, but this is all kind of a wetland area. And I know that there's a deer trail that comes right down through here. So I'm just gonna walk through here, take you guys on a nice little walk. But it's absolutely beautiful back here. There's already been a number of animals, deer walking around right through here. So I can see where the trail goes there. I mean, this is about as good as it gets, really. And I am able to deer hunt in this area. Archery, that is. So whoa, that's a deep one. But pretty thick stuff though. I'm not sure how far the water comes up when it gets wet. But at some point I would like to make a trail through this area, just in case I ever did have to put a couple tractors down here until I get my pole barn built. But it's pretty thick. She did include a chainsaw with the sale too, so I might be using that quite a bit. But if I could, let me see here. I'll come around this way. Yeah, a lot of deer tracks over here. And I'm getting some good cover back here. Hopefully you're not getting too dizzy with this head mount on. Yeah, pretty thick back here, so I'm just going to try to get out of here. snow though the last few days, man. A lot of snow. Oh man, that was deep. Almost went up to my waist there. But yeah, you can see the tracks here. I took the H back right here. This is as far as I could go. I mean, it's easily middle of my thigh right here, so it's probably close to 3 feet. But there she is. There's the new Rusty Nuts Ranch, I guess we'll call it. The H ran well on the way over here. The John Deere ran well. No big issues on the way over. Everything's just covered in snow. So, and they're saying over the next week it's not supposed to get any warmer than low to mid 30s, and next weekend they're talking even more snow yet. So I don't know when we're gonna get this get the rest of the tractors over here, but we'll get them. You know, it's that time of year. I mean, April 3rd now. You think we would be done with this, but as you can see, we're not done at all. So it is what it is, though. But let me get this thing off my head and then go from there. Oh yeah, plenty of clear picture. But yeah, you can't even barely see my car from here because the snowbanks in the driveway are so high. And that one on the corner is probably almost 4 feet. But we made the move. We're here. So that's good. But I'm tired of being cold, and I think that's gonna do it for this video. We'll call it the move, I guess. But yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for coming along with me on this life journey. And there wasn't any wrenching in the video, but thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys later.